Good morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Very good morning. Ma'am, when to start? Should I start, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Good morning to all. As we have done yesterday, and we have practiced some problems, which was very useful, and its application. We have seen learning formula how easier it becomes to solve a problem based on it. If we were not knowing a formula and they have asked us to solve a problem of this type, then it will become very tedious and difficult for us to cope up with such a type of problem. So yesterday I have introduced you a formula before leaving the lecture, that is a cube minus b cube given by a minus b into a square plus ab plus b. So this was the formula. I have asked you to derive this. I have done half part of it, and hope you all have completed and derived the formula. So let's start with problems based on it. Okay, we'll take an example which is very simple so that it will increase our confidence to solve more and more problem. X cube minus 8y cube. Now as we can see that we are having this first component present of cube. Second component, we are having the form of cube, but it is not a cube form. So we should know which numbers cube will give me 8. Can we give the answer? Yes. We know that 2 cube is 8 into y cube. So we can write this as x cube minus 2y the whole cube. Now we can see this is having a form a cube minus b cube. The formula is x minus 2y into x square x into 2y plus 2y square, 2y in bracket and then square, as they're going to take square of both the present inside the bracket. So this is nothing but x minus 2y in bracket x square. X into 2y is 2xy plus 2 square y square. If you want, you can write 2, or if you want, you can write directly 2 square is 4 after y square. This is your answer for the given problem is x cube minus 8y cube. What you have done actually, you have just factorized the given formula. You have factorized in such a way that it can be separated in the two forms. Further simplification is not possible. This is a formula. After substitution, um, we just need to evaluate or get the values of x in terms of y or y in terms of x if we are going to have is equal to 0. So where it will be useful? It will be useful in almost every topic, a very important topic that you are going to learn in your higher standards, which is of the form quadratic, and after that you will be learning limits, continuity, and derivatives. Okay, so problem that we have done based on this formula. Now let's do every type of problem which is being related to this formula. So now we will take where we are having coefficient in the first variable. Say we are having 125 y cube minus 1. So to do, we can, like, first of all we should know which number's cube is 125. It's not there, then what we need to do, we need to do some adjustments. As we can see that we have the cube of 120 number which gives me 125, that is 5 cube. 5 cube, 5 5s are 25. After that, 5 5s are 125. So we can write it as 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 cube y cube minus 1. 1 can be written as 1 cube. Means the same, na? 1 into 1 into 1. So if we are having 1, 1 can be written as 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 as per requirement. You can write n number of times. N times. If we can see square is present and we want 1 in form of square, you can take 1 in the form of 1:2. So can be written in any form as per requirement. You can write 1 square, you can write 1 cube, you can write 1:n. So we can see that I've written it as y the whole cube minus 1. So y the whole cube minus 1 cube can be written as y minus 1 into y square plus into 1 plus 1 square. This is the formula. A minus b in bracket a square plus ab Hope you have understood this. Now, after this, you can write this as 5y minus 1 into 5y square is nothing but 5 square is 25, y square is y square, plus 5y multiplied to 1 is same number, that is 5y, plus 1 square is 1. We are done. Not that difficult. Only thing that you should know how to convert the given expression in its form, that is a cube, b cube. And after that, as per requirement, you can apply the formula for addition or subtraction. As you know, the formula for both the expressions, that is a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So let's deal with next type of a problem, in which we'll be having as means both the variables having a coefficient. We'll be taking an example of the type in which we'll be having fraction also and coefficient in both the variables. So it will cover our this type of problem. And we can start with a simplification form, that is expression having both the terms present, a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. How to deal with that type of problem? So 8p cube minus 25 upon p. Now see, our observation regarding this problem is that we can write this p cube as 2 cube p cube minus 27l 3 cube upon p cube. Yeah, this we can easily understand. 2p the whole cube minus 3 by p the whole cube. Which formula can be applied? A cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube is given by a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Just apply here. A minus b in bracket a square. What is our a? 2p plus a means 2p into b 3 by p plus 3 by p the whole square. So this is 2p minus 3 by p bracket 2p the whole square can be written as 4p square. 3s are 2 3s are 6. pp gets cancelled as it is present in numerator in multiplication form, plus 3 square is 9 upon p. Done. This is the final answer for the given expression. Hope now you can deal with this type of expression. If they are going to ask you factorize and you need to apply the formula, you know how to deal with a plus b the whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a minus b the whole cube, a cube minus b cube. All this you know now. Now what we will do? We will take a combination of that type of problem and we will say this type of problem is done. And after that, we will take algebraic expression, which is of the form rational, means having expression in numerator as well as in denominator. How to deal with that type of a problem. Okay. Before taking both the expression together, I will introduce all the four formulas that we have done till now. First, a plus b the whole cube. This is by a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus second a minus b the whole cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Next, third, a cube plus b cube. Formula is, we have done it yesterday, a plus b and get a square minus ab plus b square. Next, a cube minus b cube. The formula for this is a minus b in bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Just remember these formulas. We can easily deal with the expressions that is going to follow now. Hope you have copied it. First, we will take simple example. We'll be doing 3 expression based on this. First, the expression is x plus y the whole cube minus x minus y the whole cube. Means here in this case, you need to apply the formula for both together. And the terms which is getting cancelled and the terms which is not getting cancelled is the answer for the given expression. Let's see. So formula for x plus y the whole cube is x cube plus 3x plus 3xy square plus y cube in bracket minus in bracket x cube. Formula for x minus y the whole cube is x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Now, as we know that if we are having a subtraction side outside the bracket, the whatever sign inside the bracket gets changed to its opposite form. Minus will get changed, converted to plus, and plus will get converted to minus after opening a bracket. So let's open the bracket. This is x cube plus 3x square y, 3xy square plus y cube minus. Now we are opening a bracket. So it will be minus x cube. This minus will become minus minus plus 3x square y as per explanation. All sign will get converted to its opposite form. It was plus, got converted to minus. This minus will get converted to plus. This plus will get converted to minus 3xy square, and this minus will get converted to plus, so plus y cube. After opening a bracket. Now, the terms with opposite sign gets cancelled. You can see this term having minus, this term plus gets cancelled. What else? This term minus 3xy square plus 3xy square gets cancelled. What remains? 3x square y, 3xy, 3x square y. 3 plus 3, 6. X square y plus y cube is 2y cube. Now you can see that if we can split it, we can split it in a form 3 into 2 x square y plus 2 into y square into y. So 2 is common, y is common, 2 is common, y is common. So we can write this as 2y out. What remains? 3 remains, x square remains here, plus only y square remains. So this is the answer. Hope this aspect is very much clear to you. I don't think so you have any problem with this. The steps are very clear. Only thing that we need to understand is sign gets changed after opening a bracket if we are having a subtraction side out sign outside. After that, cancelling the opposite terms. Opposite terms in the sense terms with opposite sign plus minus they are same. They get cancelled up. Whatever remains, we just if they are similar, we have just added them. After that, if we can find some common term in both, taken it outside, and whatever remains, that is our answer for the given expression. Hope it was not that difficult as it seems to be. One of the problem that we've done. Let's deal with next problem in which we'll be having we can do it by formula also, or we can just apply the formula and cancel the term. So we're having p cube minus p plus 1 the whole cube. So now we can deal with this type of a problem in two ways. You can consider it as a cube minus b cube, or you can just apply the formula for this and cancel the remaining term. I will show you both the methods. First method. First method says we are applying the formula for this. So p cube minus formula for this is p cube is p cube plus 3p square into 1 plus 3p into 1 square plus 1 cube. So this is p cube minus p cube plus 3p square plus 3p plus 1. After opening a bracket, what you get? P cube minus p cube minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. As I've told you, we were having subtraction sign outside the bracket. Then after opening a bracket, each and every sign will take its opposite form. So plus p cube minus p cube gets cancelled for minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. And in second method, what you need to do, I will be doing, we will be giving just few hints. You can try it by yourself, as we have done lots of problems based on this. A formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A minus b. A minus b. After that, a square plus ab plus b square. Just what you need to do, the bracket will get cancelled, p minus 1. So pp gets cancelled, what remains? Minus 1 remains here. P square plus, open the bracket, p into p is p square plus p into 1 is p, and here open the bracket, for a plus b the whole square. What is the formula for a plus b the whole square? This is a square plus 2ab is 2p into 1 plus 1 square. After this is minus 1, and in bracket we are having 1, 2, 3, 3p square, and here we are having p plus 2p into 1 is 2p, p plus 2p is 3p, and plus 1. Once you open the bracket, it will take a form minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. Done. So we can see that how things are and how we can get the answer using both the method. If our concepts are clear, we can just apply and get the answer. So we can get through. So when both the methods are correct, we'll be getting marks for both the methods. Only thing that you need to state the formula you are using. Here you just state the formula, the a plus b the whole cube. Here you need to state the formula for a cube minus b cube. Now we'll deal with rational algebraic expression. That will be having expressions present in numerator as well as in denominator. First, we'll be taking simple examples so that you can understand. After that, bit difficult, we can get through that type of a problem. So let's start with that. Let's take example, simplify. I will be writing the title rational algebraic expression. Rational algebraic expressions. This is the title. Rational means having algebraic expression, but in numerator as well as in denominator. Then we will say a square plus 5a plus 6 in one bracket divided by a square minus a minus 12 into a minus 4 divided by a square minus 4. Hope we can easily solve this. Only thing that you should be good in factorization. Hope you have practiced all the problems that I've done as well as the problem in the textbook so that we can easily factorize this. Now, tell me the factors of the first quadratic having a square plus 5a plus 6. We can have the number 2 into 3 is 6 and 5 can be written as 2 or 3 plus 2 in the same. Let's see. A square plus 3a plus 2a plus, you can write here 3 into 2 divided by in denominator what we are having a square minus a minus 12. So that can be written as, I'm expecting answer from your side. 4 3s are 12. So we can write this as a square minus 1. When we will get minus 1, when we are going to use this, minus 1 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3, answer is minus 1. So you can write this as minus 4a plus 3a minus 12 into, we are having a minus 4 upon this is of the form a square minus b square, as you can't see, but I will convert this. A square minus 2 square so now as we can see that we have just taken all the forms. Just we need to factor and cancel those terms which are getting cancelled up easily. So it's very simple. Expecting answer from your side. So this as a plus 3. This is very simple for you, as we have done in our earlier lecture. Not that difficult. I've explained you that both the terms will be same. They should be same, otherwise our expansion will become wrong. Here also we can see that what is common. A minus 4. And here we have taken 3 commons. What remains? A minus 4 into here a minus 4 as it is. And we can write this as a plus 2 into a minus 2. So it is clear to you. Now, this is a plus 3 common. What remains? A plus 2 remains. Divided by a minus 4 common. What remains? A plus 3 into a minus 4 upon a plus 2 into a minus 2. A minus 4 cancel. A plus 2, A plus 2. They are getting cancelled up. Why? Because they are present in numerator and denominator. A plus 3 cancelled. What remains at last? We can see only 1 upon a minus 2. So how tedious it was earlier when we have seen or by observation, and after that on simplification we can get how a simpler term you can see. So how useful our learning of formulas are. Just factorize it. After factorization they will get cancelled up, and whatever the term remains is of a simpler form or is our answer. So let's do next problem. So let's take one more example. Which will clear all your doubts. Is cube minus 27. It will be having almost all the formula expansion which we have done till now. And using that, we can clear our ideas. 5a square minus 6 plus 3 divided by a square plus 3a plus 9 divided by 25a square a square minus 1. So first of all, I will clear your idea. For example, if we are having this is a rule, general rule, A by B divided by C by D. So when we use multiplication instead of division, our ratio get reversed, or it's converted to its reciprocal, A by B into D by C. See the difference? As it was C by D with division sign in between, when we are writing multiplication, it will get reversed. It's reciprocal form. It is D by C. That we're going to apply here. So our first step is that only, and after that we will. But at the same time, we can do factorization if possible. It will reduce our step as well as efforts. At the same time, you can write this as a cube minus 3 cube. 27 is cube of 3, as you're very much familiar with this. Now, what we're having 5 as a coefficient of a square, means a quadratic, in which 1 is not there. 5, so we have to do 5 3s are 14. We are having what? 5 3s are. So 5 3s are 15. So tell me the table which gives me minus 16. So minus 15 minus 1 gives me minus 16. So we can write this as 5a square minus 15a minus a plus 3. We are done. No doubt. I'm writing into instead of division. So our terms will get reversed. So what we are having 25a square. So we can write 25a square as 5a the whole square minus 1 square, all divided by. Can we have some factor for this? No. Keep it as it is. A square plus 3a plus 9. We can't have any factors. I've asked you to factorize only if it is possible. If not possible, keep it as it is. Can't force it. If we will force, so we get incorrect answer. So formula for this is a minus 3 into a square plus a into b, means a into 3, that is 3a plus 3 square. 3 square is 9 divided by, you can write here what is common. 5 is common, a is common, but remains a minus 3. Here also minus 1 minus 3 into, we can write this as a square minus b square. So 5a plus 1 into 5a minus 1. A square minus b square. Formula a plus b into a minus b divided by a square plus 3a plus 9. A minus 3, a square plus 3a plus 9 divided by it's common, a minus 3 is common. What we will get? 5a minus 1 into 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1 upon a square plus 3a plus 9. What is our observation? 5a minus 1, 5a minus 1 gets cancelled. A square plus 3a plus 9, a square plus 3a plus 9 gets cancelled. A minus 3, every term gets cancelled except 5a plus 1. So, as you can see that we are having space here, we can write here. So my answer is 5a plus 1. So we have completed almost, in this problem, we have completed almost every type. and we have done every basic content which is required for the next class. So we have completed our algebraic expression as well. Hope you have understood this. Please do practice so that the aspects that you are going to face in your next class will become easier for you. Question in your mind that how we got this step or how things are getting up, I'm not getting. Once you will start understanding, math will become very, very, very easy for you. So this is my expectation. So in next lecture, we will start with the next aspect, that is direct and inverse variation, which is there in our higher classes. This is very much required. So we'll stop here. Thank you, everyone. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Done with the lecture. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.